How to start print on demand on Society6. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. In this video, we're going to be talking in great detail and depth about how you can go ahead and add in your Society6 artist design walled art and how you can actually, start a print on demand service in this, or print on demand store in this. And, this print on demand store is going to basically allow you to go ahead and make a lot of money. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to society6.com. And once you come over to society6.com, over here, what's going to happen is you're going to get the basic widgets of how, you're going to work with all the necessary things. So to start things off, obviously, first of all, you're going to join or log in with your store. So I'm going to click on create account to actually log in, and here you are. Are you here to become a member or become an artist? Obviously, I'm going to here to become an artist to start my print on demand. First of all, you're going to create a username. Once you do that, you're going to choose a display name. Okay, so I'm just going to go with this display name. Add in an email address that you want to set with your store. Here's my email address. Paste it over here. Then you have your password. So I'm going to go ahead and add a proper password. And once we add a proper password, you're simply going to click on sign up because all the fields are added. And as you do that, it brings you here. So Society6, choose an artist plan. Artist plan offers advanced features for artists who opt in to the pro and basic plans. I'm going to go with the free plan right now because I don't really need to go into the bigger plans and go into my artist studio. So once you do that for yourself, what it's going to do is it's going to tell you to get verified. So I'm just going to go ahead and verify my email. So it says verify your identity. So you can obviously verify your identification. And when it comes to identity verification, you can either verify yourself with the PayPal, okay? And you can either do that, or you can verify yourself with an actual email. So if they send you an email, you can go ahead with that. I'm going to skip the identity verification for now. And here it says to start selling your artwork, you do need to get verified, by the way. So yeah, we're gonna discuss that later on, and you can get verified anytime you want. But yeah, to start things off, first of all, what you're gonna do to actually start a print-on-demand business in this is, create an account, which we have, create a seller central, which we have. Now, to view your shop, like you're simply gonna come to view your shop over here, and you can add in products. Now, how are you going to create print-on-demand products? So to create print-on-demand products, you are going to need some external provider for yourself, okay? So you can obviously create print-on-demand products through Society6 if you want to, because as you can see, if I were to come over here, let's say I want some type of home decor, it is going to give me a lot of, print-on-demand products over here, but I would much more prefer to use a external provider. So in this case, let's go ahead and use Printify. So I'm going to go into printify.com. So in your Printify section, what you're going to simply do is, obviously this is your Printify loaded in. There it says create and sell custom products, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to create an account on your Printify, and once you've created your account, you're simply going to go over to your store's dashboard. Now, once you come over to our store's dashboard over here, we're going to create an actual account for ourselves. So the account creation process, as I told you, is really simple. You go through it all, and now you're going to come over to your store settings to actually set up Society6. So you're going to click on add a store, and if Society6 is provided on Printify, you can find it over here, but in the case that it's not, which it clearly is not, you can add it through API. So you're going to give your store a random name. So let's say I'm going to call it Society6. There we go. You're simply going to click on continue, and once you click on continue, it's going to give you the allowance. So congrats, you connected an API store. Check out this article. So you can start adding products into this API store and actually connect this API to your Society6. Now, to start creating print-on-demand products, you can first of all come over to catalog, and you're going to choose something to do print on demand. So let's go with something pretty basic. Let's go with t-shirts. Okay, let's start off very basic over here. So once you do this, what's going to happen from here is you're going to come to any of these designs. So let's go to this design over here. And once you go over here, it starts loading in the actual design. And you can obviously add in all the colors into this design, and you get this unisex jersey short sleeve tee. So I'm going to click on start designing. And once you click on start designing, what's going to happen from there is you're going to get a whole, working in this. So what's going to happen from here is you can add any image or add any design. You can even add texts over it, by the way, if you want to, but I'm going to go ahead and add a design that I've created by myself. You can create the same design like this using Canva. Now, I created this design using Canva for myself, so it's pretty easy to do all of this, to mess around with this. Now, to start things off, what you're going to do over here is, add your design in. I'm going to wait for my design to load up, and you're also going to select the colors you want this design to be in. So I'm going to choose, I'm going to go with white, I'm going to go with black, and look at that. So that's how your design basically essentially is going to look. And, that looks pretty cool. It looks pretty nice. And then you can check it on white as well. That looks pretty nice. You can select all the colors that you want this design to be on. Like, let's say I want it to be on green as well. I want it to be on navy. I want it to be on heather true royal. So, add all the necessary designs you think it looks cool on and click on save product. So once you click on save product, what that will do is it will give you the mockups as well, where you can actually check all the people, all the mockups that they look on. So this shirt looks pretty cool. You get all the details and data, the variants and all. You're going to select all the variants that you want to add as well, and you're simply going to click on publish. So it's going to take all the necessary designs, okay? And once you take all the necessary designs, you're going to be pretty much set to go. So as you can see, it starts publishing everything. And once everything is published, you are going to be good to go. So yeah, that's the general idea of how all of this works. Now, if you enjoyed watching this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel, because it's really simple. After this, you have a product over here, you're going to connect it, or you can simply add the details of this product, because you obviously have product and it's in stock. So you're going to add the products over here, and if someone orders them over here, you can simply order the product, or order the actual sample from the Printify store and ship it to your user in Society6. So I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available, and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guides for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later, and goodbye.